Hello everyone. Today, for those who are new to Binance, I'll show you how to get started, from signing up to futures trading, in a very easy and simple way. If you sign up using the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% Binance trading fee discount, plus bonus rewards, so I highly recommend signing up through the link. First, I'll show you how to create a Binance account. When you access Binance through the link below the video, the Binance sign-up screen will appear. Here on the left, you can see that a 20% Binance trading fee discount and bonus rewards are being offered. Now, please create an account using your email address or mobile phone number. Check the box below to agree to the terms. Then click Continue. Please select the image that matches the word on the left. Please complete the verification using the email address or phone number you entered. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If the inviter code field appears, please enter BB222 to get a 20% fee discount, and bonus rewards on Binance. Make sure to enter the code before completing your sign-up. Then, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, we'll proceed with KYC identity verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, KYC identity verification is required. Since KYC identity verification requires facial verification, we'll continue the process on a mobile device. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, please open the app. Tap the login button on the left to sign in. Then, you'll be taken directly to the KYC identity verification step. First, please select your country. I'll select India. Next, verify your identity document. Please select one of the identity documents you have. Most people verify their identity using a passport. Select Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Next, align the passport's information page within the camera frame and take a photo. Make sure there are no shadows or reflections. Next, please proceed with facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to move your face and blink your eyes. Then, the identity verification process will be completed. KYC identity verification usually takes about 1 hour. And your verification will be completed shortly. Next, let's set up security verification. Please return to the Binance PC screen. From the left menu, click Account. Then click Security. Let's set it up using an authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Please complete the verification using your email address or mobile phone number. Then, a pop-up screen like this will appear. Now, please search for Google Authenticator on your mobile device, and install it. Open Google Authenticator, tap the button in the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Next, scan the QR code on the Binance PC screen. Then, a 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Then, on the Binance PC screen, click Next. Next, enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the Authenticator app code field. Then, your security verification setup will be complete. Second, I'll explain how to trade using Binance peer-to-peer. First, on the home screen, tap the wallet icon in the top right. In the menu below, you can see different wallet types. The spot wallet is used for deposits and withdrawals, and the futures wallet is used for futures trading. First, tap Spot to make a deposit. Next, tap Deposit in the top right. Then click Buy with USD peer-to-peer. Please check the box below to agree, and tap Start Trading. First, select Buy to purchase cryptocurrency. Next, select USDT. USDT has lower fees compared to other cryptocurrencies. Here, select the currency you want to buy, and enter the purchase amount. Next, tap this button to select your payment method. Then, you'll see a list of various advertisers. Select the advertiser you want to buy from. I recommend choosing an advertiser with a high number of orders and a high success rate. After selecting an advertiser, tap Buy USDT. Before purchasing, please make sure to read the advertiser's terms. Enter the amount you want to buy, and select the payment method. Next, tap Buy USDT. Then, the advertiser's name, bank ID, and QR code will appear. Also, before making a purchase, be sure to check the advertiser's chat. Now, please proceed with the payment to the advertiser. Once the payment is complete, return to Binance, and tap Transferred, Notify Seller. Click Transferred, Notify Seller. Next, upload and send at least one proof of payment to the seller. Please check the box below to agree, and click Confirm. After a short while, tap the wallet icon in the top right, and select Spot. You'll then see that USDT has been deposited into your Spot wallet. Third, I'll show you how to trade futures on Binance. To trade futures on Binance, you need to transfer the USDT from your Spot wallet to your futures wallet. From the left menu, tap Spot, then tap Transfer in the top right. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USDM futures. Select USDT as the coin. Enter the amount. And click Confirm. Then, after a short while, the USDT will be transferred to futures. Now, let's get started with futures trading. Tap Futures in the top left. Select USDM futures. Then, you'll be taken to the futures trading screen. First, tap this button in the top left to select the coin you want to trade in futures. On the right menu, you can set up your futures trading details. Tap this button to select the margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin to open a position, while isolated uses only a portion of your margin. For beginners, I recommend using isolated mode for safer trading. Tap this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. The higher the leverage, the greater the potential profit, but the higher the risk of loss. For beginners, I recommend trading with low leverage for safety. Next, tap this button to set the order type. With a limit order, you set a specific price. A market order is executed at the current market price. Below, you can see the available margin. Here, you can set the trade price and quantity. Finally, in this section, you can choose the position direction. If you expect the price to go up, select Buy Long. If you expect the price to go down, select Sell Short. Now, tap the Positions button below to view the status of your open position. Entry price is the price at which your position was opened. Mark price is the reference price used by the market. Leak price is the price at which your position is liquidated. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Under TPSL for position, tap the pencil icon to set your take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, tap this button to close your position. Please choose between market and limit to close your position. Then, your position will be fully closed. Today, I showed you how to get started with Binance, from signing up to futures trading, in a very easy and simple way. If you have any questions while watching the video, feel free to leave a comment anytime. If today's video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.